Noticed one from a user named Wolf, and he said, I like your videos, but please stop bragging about the money you make. Just stop. Alright, I'm gonna take it that Wolf is a new viewer. Welcome, welcome. The purpose of this vlog is to show the .com lifestyle, and part of that is to show how much money I am making online that allows me to live the .com lifestyle. So, it's not bragging, it's showing proof. I mean, you can view it as bragging, or you can view it as me showing proof. I mean, honestly, I can't seem to win on this. See, when I don't show the income, I get people complaining, say, hey, show me proof, it's just a scam, where's the money, where's the money, right? And then when I do show the money, people say, you're bragging, stop bragging. And you just can't win sometimes.